to my channel. My name is Jalen. If you're new here, welcome. Happy to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So in today's video, I am so excited to give you guys my empty house tour. My husband and I just bought our first home and we're so excited. We're moving in today, so I'm up early doing this empty house tour so you guys can see the house before it has anything in it. I've actually talked to you guys from my new filming space. I'm so excited. So let's get into this tour. So when you walk into this really grand, big foyer. Feels so fancy saying that. I love just the style of the house. I think a builder, he kept like a lot of the original touches, like the arched doorway here. We have original hardwood floors. The house was built in 1927, so it's one of the older homes in, you know, a historic part of Richmond. This is the living room. Beautiful big window here. We have an electric fireplace and lots of space to really play around with. I just want to show y'all the details around the fireplace. This stone is absolutely beautiful. I love the texture. I love the color. It's very pretty, and even though this is an electric fireplace, it still has this like wood inside of it. Again, we have a big arched doorway, which is really nice. I think it gives the home some character. Right off the living room is the dining room. I cannot wait to put a big dining table in here and just have like all my friends and family over and like entertain people. We love to entertain and to host, so my husband's a private chef. Oh, that's him. Say hi. Anyway, so this is the kitchen, which is right next to the dining room. I love the floors in here. I love the shape. Like, this took some time to lay out in this pattern. It's so unique. So we have stainless steel appliances, of course. Hubby's right there, the fridge, and then we have this little nook over here. Not really sure what we're going to use that space for yet. We'll probably put some extra shelving just to have some more storage space. Okay, never mind the wine cooler. We'll be going there. News to me. So yeah, we also have this island here. And I just love how open this space is because, again, like, we like to have people over and entertain. So it's going to be perfect for, like, you know, just be able to easily communicate with our family and friends who are over our new house. So here's the microwave. Nice size. And this is the matching stove oven. This is just a glass top stove. Over here we have double sinks. All the finishes in the kitchen are this Venetian bronze. Up here we have a couple wine racks and a couple bottles of wine up there, but we're actually gonna do a wine cooler. So probably won't be utilizing that space up there necessarily, but it's there if we want it. The kitchen also has this Lazy Susan. So it's like this turnstile cabinet. Lots of extra storage. Just a really cool piece that's unique to the kitchen. Here's the dishwasher, which I'm obsessed with because the dishwasher in our apartment is horrible. So I'm glad we have this because I hate washing dishes by hand. And then we have the fridge. Love that it has the water and ice maker on the door. That's so convenient. Over here is like a little extra pantry storage space. Another amazing feature that we love in the kitchen is the under cabinet lights. I love this so much. It's so cool. Even here you can see that the seller, you know, put like this type of marble down right here, so that there's a smooth transition between the hardwood floors and this tile in the kitchen. And same thing over here, like it's just a smooth transition, and it's not like, okay, here's the hardwood, here's the tile. Like it just makes everything look really seamless. So the kitchen has this pendant light, and then the dining room has this light as well with like rhinestones. That is not our style, so we plan on changing that. Same thing with the foyer light. That's gotta go. The style that we're going for is wabi sabi, so obviously those don't fit the bill, so we're gonna replace those. We also hope to replace this granite with a higher level granite or like a white quartz. Another idea that we had was to replace this cabinet, or this set of cabinets, with some shelving, just so we can have like some open shelves and put some items on them. We also want to do some open shelves around the fireplace, so going up on either side of the fireplace as well. And we are definitely replacing this fan. Honestly, it looks like something out of Transformers to me. Another really small detail that is like not a big deal, but something that I really like about the house is that it has these panels for the lights. Like it's not a regular light switch. I think these panels just like have a more modern look to them, and they're really nice. So this is the backyard. We do have a detached garage back there. Obviously there's no grass back here, but our backyard is pretty big. The seller, he actually put sod down in the front, so we have, you know, beautiful grass in the front. In the back, not so much. We kind of have to do some landscaping, do some work back here. Honestly, I would love to put a pool back here, be chilling in that during the summer. But we're definitely going to put some trees, some plants, obviously some grass, get all that landscaping work done. I do like that there's this pathway already laid out to the garage, so that's pretty cool. We have this really nice privacy fence, and I think it's actually some type of vinyl, it's not wood. And then we have a door here, and this big door opens up, like the double doors open, so you could like bring the driveway forward some if you wanted and park inside of the gate. So right off the kitchen is access to the basement. We've already put a few things down here, but this door leads to outside. And oops, nope, not that one. Wait, no. Hold on. Still getting used to these light switches. So this is the basement. It's unfinished, but this is gonna be my husband's space. He's like, don't go down in the basement, like that's for me. I'm like, that's fine. So we each kind of have our own space, and honestly I'm just thankful to have the space because we're going from, you know, a 600 square feet apartment to a 3-bedroom home. It's pretty amazing. Honestly, it's all God. So what's nice about the basement is that it also has the washer and dryer hookup down here. So if you wanted to, you could move the washer and dryer down here, although I doubt we will. I ain't trying to be walking up and down these stairs. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys upstairs, but first I want to show you the half bath here. Again, I love these walls and the floors. They're just so beautiful. And the sink in here, let me get the light on. The sink in here is actually sideways, which I think is so cool. I haven't seen a sink like this. It's sideways. But I just think that's really cool. Again, like the seller really took his time like picking out all of the nice touches that a house should have. Okay, so let's go upstairs. I love the way that the stairs are shaped, like it's not just straight up. You kind of have to go up. There's a little platform and then there's more stairs. And then from the top of the stairs, you can really see downstairs. And the ceilings up here are high as well. We do have an attic there. So we have 3 bedrooms upstairs and 2 bathrooms. This is the washer and dryer. Really cool, brand new. And this is going to be the guest bedroom. It's a really great space. It actually has a porch. So we have a double porch. So our guests can, you know, just go outside in the morning, have some tea, have some coffee. Closet is right there. Over here we have a little Jack and Jill situation. Access to the bathroom. This is the guest bathroom. Me again. And sorry if I sound stuffy. This pollen is getting to me. Oh, look who decided to show up. Hi.
Hey guys.
Hi, love you. Hi.
House? Yeah, it's beautiful.
Let's go to my filming room / office. I cannot wait to decorate this. It's gonna be so awesome. This is like the one space in the house where my husband can't come.
Well, I can't wait to share it with you though.
We're not sharing. So it's gonna be my space so I can decorate it exactly how I want.
No pink.
Yes, lots of pink.
No blue.
Have a closet over there as well. And lastly, upstairs, I'll show you guys the primary bedroom. So this is me and my husband's room. We have our closet right here. Pretty good sized closet with 2 shelves. The fan in the primary bedroom actually has a remote for the fan and the light. So you can change the color of the light. Then you can also turn the fan on. This is really going to come in handy because I am extremely lazy. And then we have our primary bathroom, which is amazing. This is probably my favorite place in the whole house. And what's really cool about the bathroom is that the ceiling fan is actually Bluetooth. So guys, I'm so hyped for this. I'm so hyped for this because I listen to music in the shower literally all the time. So I can't wait to use that. In this shower, oh my gosh. Freaking amazing. Like, this is what sold us on the house. This and the Bluetooth is what sold us. Because I will never leave this bathroom. And I just love how spacious it is. Like, it's so big. And again, we have these really nice floors in here, which are just beautiful. The seller, the builder, the contractor, they did what had to be done. Because it's given, honestly. You can just really tell that the seller took his time to like pick out each of the small details that are all throughout the home, like the floors and the kitchen and the bathrooms, the towel going up the side of the walls in the bathrooms, the under the cabinet lighting. We have soft close cabinets, the stone around the fireplace, having an electric fireplace. Like, these are just very like minute details that really make the house feel like a home. So guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I really just wanted to show you guys our new home. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and catch my next video. Thank you for watching.
Thank you guys.